This is my 1956 Ford Victoria.
Built this 82 Firebird into a sort of a poor man's Ferrari.
Hey, I'm out here in downtown Morris for their cruise night, and I'm with
Don.
Don. What'd you bring with you tonight?
52 Chevy Styleline Deluxe.
How long have you had her?
9 years.
9 years. Okay. What have you done to her?
Everything's been chopped, lowered, shaved, louvered, French, molded.
So you did that all yourself. Nothing came that way for you.
Nothing came like this. This is an old Colorado farm car.
Oh, a barn find.
Yeah.
That's the best find there is. Okay. Who chopped it?
I did.
You? Oh, you did it yourself too?
Yes.
Wow.
All this at home in the garage.
One man, one garage. Don't steal my term. I gotta have a trademark or something.
No problem.
Can you pop the hood?
Sure can.
You said you were at Voodoo show. Did he do any of the work on the car?
No, he sure didn't.
You did all your stuff.
Yes, I did all this.
You went there to show him you can do the work.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, I've met Larry. We've run into each other at a few shows and, have a good time.
Awesome. All right, what do you got under the hood here?
It's a 350. It's been bored and balanced, poured and polished heads. It's got a big cam in it and everything. Block's all been ground smooth.
Very nice. I like the detail.
Holly carburetor, MSD Ignition, all the good stuff.
Did you make any other changes on the body that I'm not noticing? Any modifications?
There's filled seams in here. The hood's been filled seam in the middle. Got 180 louvers up top. Shaved door handles, shaved drip rails, Frenched antennas on the side.
Okay. I think everybody should shave the handles off the mirror. I love it,
Keeps them clean.
Oh yeah. Can you pop through? I love the interior too.
It's all on air ride. So
Yeah, I see your little box of tricks right there.
aftermarket gauges.
Pop-up feature car?
Yes. Magazine, 12-page feature. Hop-up magazine.
Okay, I'll have to check that out. When was that from?
Just this year.
Okay.
Hop-up magazine, volume 12, issue 1.
And what kind of magazine is that? I'm not familiar with
Traditional custom and hot rod magazine.
it. Okay. I'm usually chasing hot rod, street rodder, street scene, My brother's usually in those magazines.
Oh, okay.
I'll have to pick up yours though, for sure.
Yeah.
You got an edition of it? Let's see this. 12-page spread on his car. Well, there's your shirt.
Shot it.
Check this out. Real nice. Well, you had to be super excited, huh?
Yeah.
Hard work pays off, right?
Sure does.
Nice touch.
Just got this too. This just came out.
Oh, okay.
Wizards catalog.
Are you advertising for Wizards?
Oh, definitely. I love that stuff.
Now, there he goes. All right. So why is Wizards better than anything else?
I like it. Goes on smooth, comes off easy, no streaks.
What were you accustomed to using before that?
McGuire's.
And it failed you?
Pardon me?
Did it fail you?
No, but I like Wizards better.
Okay. So that would be what you'd recommend to all these guys out
Oh,
here?
yeah, definitely. Definitely. Everything to Mist and Shine, Shine Master, all our compounds, everything. And it's body shop safe. That's the best part I like about it. No waxes, no silicones. So it's all body shop safe.
Okay, good to know. Because I know people are always, you know, what should I use for this? What should I use for that? So we usually ask our viewers, you know, give us your best product. Very nice. All right, so you're like a model too. You and your car. You join the club with me.
I got a good face for radio. I don't know.
Well, are you happy with the way she is? You gonna make any changes?
No, this is it.
Is that?
We're just going to enjoy it now.
Okay.
We got 5,500 miles on it, and we're just going to keep going.
All right. Well, thank you so much. You'll be on US Classic Muscle Cars, along with your magazines and everything else. You can add it to the notch on your belt.
Excellent.
Subscribe, and now you'll be notified when your video's up, along with the event.
Cool.
Thank you, honey.
You.